G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am today back at KFC. My favourite place. Oh yes, I love KFC. But don't think that's going to be swaying my opinion on the latest KFC secret menu item. By now we should all know how to get to the secret menu. You just go to the main menu, swipe down, little man pops up, and then up comes the secret menu. And in here today, there is this thing right here. It's called a Tender Crunch. Costs $7.95, so how about we whip in, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go get it. Alright, well here we go, the Tender Crunch Burger from KFC, $7.95. Let's see what we get on it. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow, that looks like a work of art. Well, on here we've got the sesame seed bun and we got the corn chips. Oh, hang on, there's a piece of cheese there. Oh, that's some pepper mayo underneath, then the cheese. Some corn chips, you ripper. 2 chicken fillet pieces, yummo. And then we got some more pepper mayo and some of their like coleslaw-y looking stuff. That's jalapeno slaw, they reckon. Well, it looks very pretty. Well, it might look very pretty, but it's very small.
That's what she said.
It looks so tiny in my hands too.
That's what she said.
But it might taste awesome, so let's go.
That's what she said.
Oh boy, those chicken tenders seem really chewy and not tender at all. It's almost as like instead of chicken tenders, they got chicken breast and just slice it into bits. It's got that very chewy chicken breast taste about it. I definitely got the crunch of those corn chips on there. The cheese, well, sort of got a little lost in there, and the jalapeno sauce, well, couldn't really taste any of that. I better try again. That time I got a lot more of all the ingredients together. And, well, I mean, it was okay, but, it wasn't great though. It was good, it was tasty, and it was hitting the spot, but I don't know, it just feels like there's something missing from it. I think it needs some more of that KFC flavour. That's what it's missing. These 2 little tenders on there are tiny. Red Rooster's ones were like this big. These ones here, they're like little chicken chippies. It's not a bad burger, but I wonder what score it's going to get out of 10. Well, $7.95 for this. Mate, this thing is tiny. It's really small.
That's what she said.
You could probably get a meal inside with a couple of bits of chicken chips and a drink for that. Although I doubt it. Flavour-wise, well, the flavour's good. It's nice, but it's not great. It's sort of missing that KFC flavour, that real nice depth of richness that KFC offers. The creaminess of that cheese blends in really nicely with the corn chips on there, and the crunch of the slaw's really nice. But it's just not cutting it for me. It has got a nice crunch though, and, well, it's good, but it's not great. And that $8 price tag, well, that's just obscene. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Tender Crunch Burger, the one that's on the secret menu, this one's getting a 6.5 out of 10. For a burger that's nearly $8, it's very tiny, and the flavour of it just isn't there. It's not very well thought out or promoted or priced, this burger. And it's not one that I'd be rushing back to try again. What do you reckon about it? Will you be rushing out to try it? My recommendation would be, hey, go for something else on the menu. One that's better value and tastes better. KFC's got plenty of them, but I don't think this is the one. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat a burger. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review